Okay, fantastic. We are live, and show is about to start. Boom, awesome. That looks good. Where am I at? All right, let's fantastic. That music is so techno. All right. Install on next launch. We don't want to do that right now. Okay, let's take a look here. So where are we at? This is where we left off yesterday. No, last week. It's been a while, actually. And welcome to DesignOver, where we do business transformation live. It's show, don't tell. But there's going to be a lot of telling on the show as well. Crack myself up. Okay, so on today's episode, what are we covering? So I have been working on the brand identity for DCM. These were some of the explorations from last week. And what do I have here? So yeah, there is a bit of an evolution that did happen across all these tabs. Let's just get rid of all of these. So there has been like a neat little evolution. This is where we started off. This is the original logo. That's the second one. And from there, branched off. And this is also getting into body copy and headlines, text as well. So it's been a minute, actually. Yeah, this is the full, I would say, evolution of the logo. Actually, let's go and bring the one that we have done, the latest and greatest, and copy that over as well. Okay. So most likely, I'm thinking this be the sequence. Forget this one. Yeah, this could be the winner. That's kind of what I'm thinking. By the way, if you have any questions, thoughts, concerns, and fears, please let me know. And hold on, let me copy this also over into the comments here. I'll add. Boom. Yeah, so if you're watching this, wherever you're watching this, highly recommend going to pulsing.live, which will take you to YouTube, and you should be able to participate, add comments, and chat with me as I'm doing this live. Also, I think this music is too techno for me. By the way, I'm not sponsored by Epidemic Sound. I'm just like the collection that they have. What I'm going to do is go to music, go to relaxing. Then I will go to instrumentals. Let's start there. And let's go with long track length. There we go. Much better. Yeah, so this is the identity system that we've been exploring for data communications management. And I'm gonna blow this out a little bit, get started on the home page. That's the work that we're doing. One more thing I actually want to try. I'm curious what this could look like. Again, always ready for some experiments. What would it look like if we did lowercase? Oh my god, that might look really cool. Let's try it. There might be some potential in doing a lowercase version. Or, wait a second, I got rid of this altogether. Could be. Could also go for the lowercase as well. Great. Well, you know what? I have tons of options, but I'm gonna stick with one of these. If I go back here, let me zoom out. I think I'm gonna stick with the uppercase for now, and that's the evolution. Let's put that right there, and let's tighten up all of this stuff here. Okay, put that here. Okay. Actually, let's move this. Organize this actually a little bit. And I'm gonna put this here. And this. I'm gonna put. Okay, cool. Typically, the files are so much chaos happening in them, and you basically organize them 5 minutes before a client meeting. You're like, yeah, I always keep everything super neat and tidy, and everything is seldom the case. Okay, so what we want to do is port over this to, where's my original? Where is the original? Yeah, okay. So maybe we start with the orange one here. And let's go. So this is the file which has the full design in it. These are my key. Now, how do I want it? Okay, let's see. Actually, I'm gonna. Oh, this music is nice. Like it. Delete that. I already have that line, so that's okay. That's good. Okay, so I have in Figma, I've got the oldest design that they had, like I guess roughly about a month ago. And then from there, I think they did like a bit of a minor facelift. And so I have that design here as well. Um, and then I also have what we've been working on over actually inside of Fake Jam is building out sort of this wireframe. Uh, hmm. Yeah, I left it here and then go back. Yeah, I wanted to knock out this design, so I'm gonna just duplicate this again, and then delete all this. Cool. Okay, so I have my references, and I can quickly go back and forth where I need to. And okay, let's see here. I use this one. Oh, lies. Lovely. How lovely. I was thinking of maybe for this, I wonder what that look like if we had like a... Oh, it's not giving me an angle here, is it? Okay, it is actually. It is, yes. Uh, okay, what did I have as my... Yeah, okay, there we go. So let's start with that. I do have, I'm gonna say beyond brand compliant. Let's copy that over. Now I can just quickly build out the page and just make some tweaks because I already have the wireframe copy there ready to go. And one thing I did not do was import the fonts needed. I should probably hold on. I've got my avant-garde. Turn that on. And I think I was using Baskerville. Baskerville is such a tasty font. I love Baskerville, and I actually like the regular. I like the italic bold, and I like just the inclined version. Looks so good. And then Baskerville italic. Such a clean font. Look how tasty that looks. Okay. So I guess I could... Yeah, I think I'm okay for that front. Think it, find it. Learn to search fonts naturally. Yeah. Okay, don't show this again. Close. Making some bold decisions on the live. Okay. So I want this to be... let's see if I... So these are probably, I'm guessing, it's showing me all of the Google fonts. That's what Figma is pre-built. But if I want to have my own fonts, avant-garde, there we go. And we do want it to be, let's see here. Let's go with it. Okay. And then the body copy is going to be Baskerville. Oh yeah. Oh, Libre Baskerville is actually... Okay, hold on. Let's try this also. 24. And then I did have a... Oh. Learn... Whoops. Learn more. Fix that. The other thing that I had here was, oh yeah, okay. So I'm probably gonna use like 3 typefaces. So I've got the headlines, the body copy, and then I'm thinking maybe for all the call to actions, I'm gonna introduce a third. Anything that's basically a link, whether that's like a menu item. So why don't we do thinking, hold on. Noi. Let's see how bad I got Noi. Okay. What do we have here? Who we help? How we doing? Okay. Actually, all lowercase. Probably not gonna go to that one. And how we do it? Fine. And what else did we have here? Oh yeah. Okay. What if the whole thing lived inside and I had, let's see here. I was thinking, should I like spell out a little bit of a grid style system for this or not? Maybe, maybe not. Maybe not. We'll see. And then of course there's going to be search. That is also going to be okay. Oh. Whoops. I could. Okay, we'll see in a moment. If I want to try actually a different one. Okay, I'm gonna come back to this in a moment. I need a crispy visual. Okay, so while doing this, what I do want to have is some crispy visual that reflects, the dev report. So maybe I can just quickly make a quick layout here. Also, getting used to. Figma. Yeah, correct. What are you doing? What are we doing today? We are doing a digital transformation add to the broadcast. Yeah. Hello, June. Yeah, we are doing a digital transformation of data CM, DCM, datacm.com. And this is what their old site and brand looks like. That's what we're doing. Where are you watching this from? June. Yeah, so we are basically doing a full transformation of this from their website to their brand identity, and it's a publicly traded business. In the past episodes, we've gone through research, strategy, and looked at a whole bunch of different elements before arriving at this wireframe and some copy. So now we're in the, basically you could call it the visual design phase of the transformation work. Yeah. Okay. Now, I do have, where did this go? So I was putting together a bit of a mood board of what kind of aesthetic would look really tasty, crispy on this for them, for DCM. And what do I have here? I think where does it go? Here it is. So I was looking at some grid style layouts. Where did they go? Let's go to the previous one. Yeah, so I am looking at some grid style layouts. Just keep it super crispy, clean, evergreen. That rhymes. So it has longevity. It's not some short-term trendy thing that we're trying to copy. Like even this looks pretty tasty. Where did it go? Yeah, just like super clean, simple design. Lot of like leaning on the typography, layout grid, and that's what's up, if you were wondering. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking, is make it really, really crispy. Ooh, I also like this. Yeah. I don't know if you've heard of Work & Co. This is essentially like their style. Just a lot of type, like tight grids. That is going to make it look very, very good. Yeah. Okay. And wait, where did I? Yeah, that's basically it. Okay, yeah, so let's jump back into it. This is essentially the vibe we're going for. Very clean layout grids. Oh my God, Becky. Let's jump into it. Okay. So I might not use this line for the top. Maybe we go with something a little bit different here. Let's go and cover that. Leave this here. want this to... Let this be... And okay, so I have the... All right. I'm gonna have that report thing sit here. I just need a tasty design for it. Let's just crank something out quickly. So call it the dam. Oh. Let's tighten that up. Oh, line height is in percentages. I've never seen that before. I've only seen it the way Adobe does it. Got it. Okay, and of course we don't want this to compete with the text on the left. Arrange, send to object. It's funny that in Figma, by the way, this is just an observation that, you know, if you have to like move objects back and forth, they all sit under arrange in Adobe, but here it sits under object, which is separate. Odd. But cool, sure. Do it. Let's call this. So that we're gonna have here the dam report. I might wanna tweak this to, let's go. And let's go with italic. Yeah, that looks amazing. Let's increase that to maybe 60. Okay. Boom, and you can download this port. Okay. And let's go with that. Let's turn that into right. Okay. The moment you start adding like just even a little bit of color, the layout starts looking nice and crispy. All right. I actually have a pretty intense section coming up, but let's first just knock this out. Let's make this like freaking bold as shit. And close that. Okay, I'm gonna have a visual here. I haven't even looked at those images yet, but let's just get this information in first. Oh yeah, I had another version of this. Where did that go? Oh. I think I'm gonna go with I think I'm gonna go with Yeah, let's go with the left version actually. Yeah, that one is what we're going to go with. Okay. And uh-huh. And I want this to be Avent. There we go. Tight, and that is basketball. Perfect. What's the line height here on this? Okay. And this also. I want to basically build out like partially the page. Not gonna build the whole thing here. And I might even just do how we end up. Maybe it is all like left aligned with left align, left align. If I set the layout that way, right, and we got these lines here. Okay. If I wanted to, okay, we could try that. Let me see what that looks like. So if I had this, yeah, in the wireframe, I was doing like this bento box style thing, but that's just because I needed to have all the information there, but that's not necessarily going to be how I'm going to design it at all. Because bento box is like this new trendy thing that's going on right now. It's like, yeah, don't care. You don't want to copy that style at all. So, okay, let's see here. This should be, loosen that up. And what's the body copy here? Okay, so this should also be about. Okay. Let's type that up. Oh, shit. Tight. Okay. And that would be pretty good. And yeah. The other one is. Okay, so that. Ooh, and this. Let's bring these over here. So that's the first one. Wonder if I set it up as like again. Hmm. Okay. Let's give this. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm gonna. Okay. And let this be. And what was I going with here? Yeah. Okay. Let's see if that works. Okay. This I want. And this is probably gonna be a lighter color, of course. Then what do I have? Oh yeah. This. Okay. Also going to break this up. And let's turn this into avant-garde. What size do I have here? 36. Ooh. Okay. Again, might blend that. Damn, 1 million hours saved. Companies with without time end up burning time and money. Let's just change that line. In finding assets. Change that line. And there we go. Ooh, 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 ooh. Also, I could have, depending on how I choose to set this up, I might even let's grab all of this actually. Down a little bit. There we go. And I want to have option control. Okay, so I have about, let's see here, I'm gonna put another. Again, I just need to, I just want to have like the conceptual design in place. Oh. All right. Perfect. Oh yeah. 18 and 150. Okay, I think I'm going with, yeah, I think I'm gonna go with that. Yes. Okay, so yeah, okay. And I wanted to create a quote here, so let's copy that over. Set that here. Spend no used to frustrated. So I wrote like a bit of a testimonial, just based on the information available, because there wasn't any interesting testimonial available, so I just had to create one on my own. By the way, yeah, let's write this out. So used to spend time frustrated by having my team find the right assets while arguing where to store them or store them. So I could say John. I'll say John used to by having frustrated by spending time. spend time frustrated looking for the right assets while arguing where to store them. Now his team John's team focuses on building customer relationships and outperforming the competition. What would you do with 45% more time and 36% reduce costs? Okay, and let's tighten this up. Amazing. Okay. And finance. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna go, yeah. So and this is where I probably want to start bringing in some color as well. And obviously not. Oops. Read John's story. I'm going to go italic. Okay, need more contrast. And boom. Okay. All right. starting to come to life. I did have an image actually. Also, let's go to images. Arms wide open. Let's see here. Not sure. I used to use Unsplash quite a bit to find, all the right images and stuff, but somehow over time, um, they have sort of, I don't know, I guess, stopped having all those nice images on their site. But let's take a look. Unsplash. Okay, so arms wide open. Imagine when you start use this image for the corporate brand. Yeah. Okay, so this is not what I'm looking for. Let's do a corporate person joy. Corporate portrait. The less staged, the better. Again, I just want to have whatever image I'm going to pick here for now is most likely going to be a placeholder till I find the exact right image. This is not even close to what I would do. Okay, hold on, let's see. Portrait Studio. Finding the right imagery probably takes the most amount of time. Because the images that you end up using, hold on, let's see this one. I think this one might be a decent one as a starting point. I like the candid shot, like the candid style shots are probably the ones that I like the most. They don't look staged. And my bye. Okay, that one looks kind of cool. Not bad. And let's see one more maybe. That looks cool. I know where I'm going to use that one. And okay, I think I'm going to just stick with those ones for now. Let's go here. Well, oh, so yeah, I'm coming over from XD. I've just started using Figma, and I'm just finding the whole menu to be very different. Actually, it's actually quite different. Interesting. Okay. Anyways, let's go to this. Maybe this might work. Oh, cool. Probably want like a younger person to be in this image. That would probably look the best. But that's the kind of shot I would look for. But obviously, younger person would look much better here. Let's choose this to that could work. And then if that is the case, then we go. I wonder if I want to use these. There's a couple of things happening here. I am not going to be retaining everything that you're seeing right now. I'm just going to get a flavor of what direction I might want to go in. AI. Make this lady a little bit younger. No offense, she looks actually very elegant. It's just not the exact look that I'm going for, but that is okay. And okay. If this is what I'm seeing above the fold, I could also have this. If I did that, let's go with maybe 26. And I exposed this report somewhat like this share. Let's go object. Yeah. So we have like a clean above the fold, but then there is like this thing that's peeping out. That could work. And in fact, I could actually, what if I did this? Okay, we'll come back to this. And let's grab all of this. I think I might just. I think that might work better. Yeah. What? Kind of like this vibe. And then download the damn report. From print to all your digital assets, be on brand and compliant across all touch points. Okay, and this, okay, yes, of course. Probably want to have. Ooh, that's what I could do actually. What if I did this only up here? Okay. Okay, we'll come back to that. The report could go here, and that is something that gets people's curiosity. That could happen. And then we give them into this section. That could maybe work. Experiment. Experiment. That is the name of the game. Uh, okay, those are my images. Let's just minimize that. Okay. Then even for this, if I go into my identity file, let's say if I pick this version here, let's go to Figma. And then I also have my blue version. Let's see. I'm just getting accustomed to using Figma versus XD. I think I'm okay. Okay. All right, that could work. And let's see here. Keyboard just stopped working. What the hell? There we go. Everything that has to go wrong will go wrong on a live. And so and I could have that. Okay. Download. Oh, I'll just say email. Okay, and we'll say send me the damn report. Okay. And let's set that as this might be better off as send me the damn report. Okay. Clearly, I'm just having fun with that idea. That could go there. Oh, and then why would somebody download the report? Yeah, I gotta address that. Of course I do. Yeah, I know. I got it. Okay, right. So these are gonna be left. Okay, so I have that. Oh, obviously the search is gonna be much bigger. If I wanted, I could tap into that. Arrow. Wonder if I should have more case studies here versus just one. Oh, okay. Okay, let's keep going. And I have some thoughts. Address these in a bit. Of course, we don't want widows on the design. Of course, we don't. I hear you loud and clear. Oh, another sick layout that works. That's all I like doing sometimes is having there we go. And let's see here. I could actually even cut across. Could maybe. And that is the case. Okay. Then okay, let's do this. Okay, that's gonna be another. Oh, come on. Keyboard keeps failing on me. All right. So that. Oh, I can. Okay, let's change this to. Not bad. Figma is not that bad. I am slowly getting used to it. And okay, that was the other one. Then I have. Would I want? Or if I did. Then obviously match. So what am I? Okay. Also. Okay, learn more. Shit. Okay, so that could be. Then what do I have here? Okay, right. I got to set this up. Then gotta have an image there. starts with huh. That. Actually, what we need to do is, so one, actually, hold on, let me just check my frame here. Aha, right, I got it. That I forgot about totally. That's where I totally forgot about this part. Okay. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with the same size. Got, what do I have here? 120. So let's try. Boom, perfect. And this to be at 80. Oh. I wonder if I image, and this, because it's just a repeat of information, don't need that. And oh yeah, I want to basically show some real metrics behind some of the claims that they've made throughout their case studies. But I'm gonna remove this and this. Put back here. Okay, I have to add that there. That is one task item I have. And this also can just be fix that later. Yeah, I think from a flow perspective, I think that might make more sense. Yeah. Yes, queen. Okay, and okay, I have to start building out this section, but we've already hit the 1 hour 20 mark. And I don't go, I think I'm gonna call it a day here, and then we'll pick up where we're leaving off today. I wonder if I can, just organizing all this information, and I want to have one button here, and let's go to file. Whoops, where did my go? Oh, that's how it's different. Interesting. I see. I haven't even touched most of these features. Oh, cool. Okay. Oh, don't need that. Okay, so downloads, And I think I had, these are just some backgrounds that I had, but I think that one might look cool. Let's open up that one. Oh, interesting. It's already masked. Nice. I like it. Probably saves time. And could probably do... Okay, I think I'm going to call it a day here because we've already hit the 1 hour 20 mark, and this was fun for sure. Where did they go? And I'm also getting my feet wet with Figma because I've always been doing everything in Adobe like a loyal Adobe loyalist. But since XD is not going to have any more support, I guess I'm going to have to move over to Figma. But okay, I think this is coming along well. Some decisions obviously have to be made because this is a lot of like brand and visual design work. So a lot of it has to be a sleepover and stuff. Anywho, folks, I will see you tomorrow. If you are curious about how we got here, what we're working on, you can go through the previous episodes where we've covered in extensive detail and depth research, synthesis, wireframing, copywriting, brand, business, strategy. All those different elements have been covered in those past episodes. And now we are at the, like I mentioned earlier, on the visual design phase of the transformation work. I already have some inclination on what could be the identity system, some point of view on layouts and grids. But again, it's a lot of experimentation, just brute force designing the shit out of it and trying like a whole bunch of different iterations to see what's going to resonate and put it all together. Anyways, I will see you folks tomorrow.